To send money from PayPal to Payoneer, you need to have an account with both services. First, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, sign up for one on the Payoneer website. Once you have both accounts, log into your PayPal account and click on the Send and Request tab. Then click on Send to Friends and Family or Pay for Goods and Services. Enter the recipient's email address associated with their Payoneer account. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. Make sure the currency matches the currency of the recipient's Payoneer account to avoid any conversion fees. You will then be asked to review the transaction details, including the amount, currency, and recipient's email address. If everything is correct, click Continue to proceed with the payment. PayPal may charge a small transaction fee for the transfer. Depending on the currency and the recipient's location, the fee will be deducted from the amount you are sending. After you have confirmed the transaction details, the money will be sent to the recipient's Payoneer account. The recipient can then access the funds using their Payoneer debit card or transfer the money to their local bank account. It is essential to note that PayPal and Payoneer have their own set of fees and limits, so make sure to review their terms and conditions before making a transaction. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and any potential conversion fees that may apply. By following these steps, you can easily send money from PayPal to Payoneer. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and be aware of any fees that may apply to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.